Hi, I'm Tyler Cameron. I'm Vice President of Marlon Recreational Products. Today, I'm going to walk you through our RAT-01 trailer. This trailer is a good trailer for loading 2 ATVs on the side, or you can hook the ramps onto the back of the trailer as well to load 1 ATV, dirt bikes, golf cart, and a number of different things. You can easily hook the ramps onto the side load bars to allow you to drive your ATV up onto the trailer. Always load the front one first so that you have enough tongue weight. If you were to load the back ones first, you might not have enough tongue weight. They hook nicely on the very back load bar. The deck measurements are 6 feet wide by 9.5 feet long. The trailer has a carrying capacity of 2,000 pounds. So what you can put on top of the trailer is a maximum of 2,000 pounds. Bars aren't just for hooking the ramps to and side loading with it, they also provide strength to the frame. So these are bolted in and should not be removed. The axle is a 3,000 pound axle. This trailer comes standard with 13-inch radial tires with galvanized rims. The trailer itself is hot dipped galvanized steel. The deck of the trailer is what we call mesh. Benefits to this are your trailer is very lightweight, and also if you have your muddy machines on here and you're washing them off, the mud falls right through the trailer rather than staying on top of the trailer. The trailer comes standard with LED lights and has 4 tie-down points on each side of the trailer itself, along with one at the front as well. The ramps stow safely at the very front of the trailer.